Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with another insane video! Woo! Are you seeing this? 91K with crack revenue. That's $91,000, guys. If you want to make that kind of money, just check out this video. Here we go. Woo!
This is crack revenue right here. It's an adult network and it's freaking awesome. They got tons of freaking offers here. That is $91,000 here in this month so far. And that's with paid ads. And I would say 10% of that, actually no, 20% of that, I would say based off how much I spent this month, which is around like $20,000 in ads, to make $91,000 back, okay, with adult marketing. I literally wake up every day and I'm so grateful in it. And I hope it inspires you guys.
Hey listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean anyone. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!